much of a hike here at all. All this is an uphill path for less than a mile. They told me it was a mile and a half to go to Wissahickon Avenue, and it isn't close to traffic. And it just goes to the parking area. Okay. It is a nice, well-paved road, I think. Come straight out on Wissahickon, about half a mile from that historic Rittenhouse Town. I would have never thought that it was this close. Real narrow area. Nice ruins of houses down by the creek there. And I just put this new guardrail in. It's a good safety feature. A lot of people have bad accidents along this Lincoln Drive. Terrible for accidents down there. It's supposed to be a 25-mile-per-hour park road, and people whip around those corners at 40 and 45 miles per hour. I got a good car. Might not damage my car a lot. Not head-ons in this valley. If Angelo stayed to himself, that'd be good. Mr. Working Boy. Yeah, he's going to be ascending all the way up here as I'm ascending. Okay. This will be the Park Road. It goes all the way up there to Wissahickon. People love this place. I'll get my man on the lead right now. And that's probably about all there is to know about it. But I'll keep us on. Oh, Angelo. Nice shot. Appreciate it, man. There you go. He's the man. Yeah, we can't be sure sometimes what a doggy will do. He's kind of a wild boy. And keep him nice and close. Nice park work here. Nice and clean. He's the man. I want to take a picture of the skate here. It's so cool. There it is. Okay. Look at this thing here. Angelo, stay with me, boy. Good boy. He's the man. Look at this gate here, man. The same gate they use all over Fairmount Park. Except this one's a little more triangular. With this big heavy latch here. You got this down a river road between White Marsh and the city. Well constructed metal gate here. And this would be Wissahickon. People want to come in here, so I'm gonna let this one slide at this point. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Want you to see it? Okay.